Hi everyone. For this assignment, I decided to describe the differences between simple reaction time, choice, and discrimination reaction time. So simple reaction time is just what it sounds like. It's pretty simple. So it's when there's one stimuli and one response. A good example of this is I don't remember if you guys remember, but like at least in my elementary school, we would have a headset on, and every time you would hear a noise, you would press the button. If you don't hear a noise, you don't press the button. So the stimuli in this example would be hearing the noise in the headset, and then the response would be pressing the button. So you will only be waiting just for like the noise, and then you would only be pressing the button. So one stimuli, one response. The second one would be choice reaction time, which is when we have many stimuli and each of those have their own individual response. A good example of this is like, for example, if you're driving and you come up to like a red light, you would press the brake when it's a red light. But then when it would turn green, like you would press the gas pedal to obviously go forward. So many stimuli would be like, one would be the red light, the other one would be the green light, and then each have their own individual response. So every time it's a red light, you go to brake, and every time it's like the green light, you press the gas. So they all have like their own individual like response. And the last one is discrimination reaction time. So that is when there's many stimuli but only one response. So a good example of this is like if you're watching like a screen, or like you're having a screen and many colors go on the screen, but you only press like a button when like the blue screen goes on. So the many stimuli would be like various of colors, so it could be like pink, green, purple, like all the rainbow colors, but you would only press the button when the green when like the specific color of whichever you've been asking. So for example, it could be green. So if like every time the green screen would go on, you would press the button, but if like any other color would go, you wouldn't press the button. So that would be like the one response and like the many stimuli.